Hi guys, good day, 23rd of May today, and it's been quite some time since we followed up on our bullish position on the Aussie versus the New Zealand dollar, and we're starting to build up a really profitable position here, right? I mean, not only that we are registering right now about 170 pip in profit, but I was also able to build up this big position, this healthy position going forward. And there were some quite interesting developments over the last couple of days. I mean, you can see that price is engaging right now against that 200 daily moving average that is running across our screen here. And at first, it broke. It was a visible break where price was closing above that level, that 200 daily moving average, and then starting to test it from above, sending these spikes. And it looked for a moment there, it looked like price is about to break away, but it didn't. In fact, it just came back, closed back below. That was 3 days ago, but that didn't last for too long. I was actually convinced at that point that this might be a more of a serious downside correction in the pipeline. But the following day was very bullish, closed back above that 200 daily moving average, and right now we may be taking off, right? We may be starting to build up some positive momentum going forward here. So I just wanted to remind you with regards to the big picture and the game plan. So if you want to see the big picture clearly, you will need to go to the monthly chart, right? So you can see that ever since 2015, the beginning of 2015, price was kind of trading really nicely within this symmetric setup, and I'm talking about this blue system. And the very last low, the very last prominent low was the one that touched base on the bottom level of 102.76. From that point, price did reach the upper part, right? It did touch base with the mid-high level, but then it went for a strong downside correction, and is right now, I believe this was just a correction. It was a local correction for this whole upside movement, and I think that at this point price is more likely not only to hit the upper part again, but also to take the previous highs. However, we're going to focus on the mid-high level again, 112.09. And we had a very strong indication that price will go to the other side here when we noticed that on the weekly chart there was a clear break above the 107.16. And it wasn't just that, but it was actually the following bar. Take a look at that huge bar, leaving that spike here. That suggested that this level was indeed a formidable support. It turned into a formidable support. So it was so that was the main indication that we are playing on. Now, going back to the daily chart, I can say that judging from what's going on right now, I think it's safe to push the stop loss level by another 50 pip, right? So right now we are our current place is at 106.50. We're going to adjust that to 107, still below, just a bit below that major mid-low 107.16 key level. That's going to be a strong support, so we're going to try to take advantage of that still. But obviously we're still looking at the 200 daily moving average also as a form of local support. All right, now we still have we still have a long way to go, right, till 112.09. We're talking about almost 300 pip to go. So should be interesting. I'll follow up and I'll keep you posted. See you in the next video.